Hi. Kama Faser, this is the name of the dance. Itzik Shamli is the singer. And it's, I don't know how many years this dance. I will check later. Men start with left, and it start with right, facing to the direction. Start one in front, one behind. Quick, and turn the lady sway. And cha-cha, sway, and stretch. Now we're going out, and 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, change. This part number 1 is going twice. Second part we have open, double step, and then face to face, turn the lady twice. Open and face, change, side behind, side, sway and turn the lady, pass a double, we change place. And surprise, passa double, we're going to, okay? Now I'm out, she's in, again, open, 5, and open, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, and change, side, behind, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, change, go back, now we close, men, we are in the coast part, we're going to dance both of us with right, okay? The ghost part start with right. Sway and change place, stretch and hug. Stretch and slide with your arm. Go back and open cross. Now I'm going out. 1 and pivot, left, right, left. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and hug. 1 and 2. Back, walk, go back. Open, close. The end of this part, the men need to do 3 steps and close. 1, 2, 3, close. And then the end of the dance, I start again with my left side. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Hello. Thank you very much. Kama Faser, enjoy.